Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. Only a very quick earwax removal one. Nice soft wax there. Patients complain of blocked ears, reduced hearing, so it should be relatively easy to take out. So we've got the standard size ulnar tubing here. Looking to, as always, detach the wax from the canal wall first. You can see just starting to work its way out. A little bit of dry skin there, or long ribbon of dry skin, so we're just going to take that away next. There you go, that's all got sucked into the machine. Okay, a much deeper seated piece of wax now, so very slowly working our way down to it. And just see it starting to move. Out it comes. And the next section behind. Luckily, as we're suctioning this, the deeper sections are coming forwards as we're suctioning, so just taking lots of pieces away at the moment. A little bit of dead skin wrapped around that one, so that's just pulled away with the suction. There we go. And a piece at the entrance to the canal. Let's get rid of that one. There we go. There's the eardrum there, looking nice and shiny. Just going to suction out one here out of the way. There we are. So that's what we removed. You can see some quite dark pieces in there, so quite old bits of wax. Thank you again for watching today, guys. If you want to subscribe, you're more than welcome to. If you want to like, or if you could share the video, that would be great. And as always, guys, take care.